The shortened valley rafter will be the next layout. The units of run on this component will be the same as the hip rafter on the minor roof. The units, or run, will be half the span of the minor roof span. The next graphic will show the calculations of the shortened valley rafter. The unit line length for a valley rafter on an 812 roof slope is 18.76. To get the line length of the rafter, multiply the unit line length by the units of run. Measure along the edge of the 2x6 and make a mark at 3 foot 1.5 inches. From that mark, lay out the tail. The theory length of the tail is 1 foot 6 3/4 inches. Square line across the edge. At the top edge, lay out a plumb line using 8 and 17 on the square marking along the 8. At a right angle to the plumb line, deduct half the 90-degree thickness of the supporting valley and lay out a new plumb line. The next layout we'll show is the bird's mouth. Plumb a line down using 8 and 17 marking along the 8. The depth of the bird's mouth in the valley is laid out from the top down. The amount was established from the common rafter. This amount is 2/3 of the plumb line on the common rafter. Using 8 and 17 on the square, lay out the seat cut. Next, the seat cut has to be lengthened. To do this, measure back half the 90-degree thickness of the valley rafter and lay out a new plumb line. Extend the seat cut line through the new plumb line. The final deduction we will make is the rafter tail. Plumb a line down using 8 and 17 marking along the 8. At a right angle to the plumb line, deduct the full 45-degree thickness of the fascia and lay out a new plumb line. Square the new line across the edge and lay out a center mark. Lay out the side cuts using 12 and 10 7/8 inches, marking along the 12. Lay out the new plumb line and label the cut.